What's up guys, this is Matthew. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of g of x. And g of x is x over square root of x squared plus 1. So as you see here, we are dealing with a rational function. For finding derivative of rational function, we're going to have u prime v minus uv prime divided by v squared. So I'm going to write g of x in terms of x over x squared plus 1 to the power of 1/2. So derivative of u is going to be derivative of x, which is 1, times v, which is x squared plus 1 to the power of 1/2, minus u, which is x, times derivative of denominator, which is going to be 1 over 2 times x squared plus 1 to the power of negative 1/2 times 2x divided by x squared plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of 2. Now let's simplify it. It's going to be square root of x squared plus 1 minus this 1 over 2 and 2 cancels out. We have x times x, x squared, times 1 over square root of x squared plus 1 divided by 1/2 and 2, they cancel out. It's going to be x squared plus 1. Now if I multiply numerator and denominator by square root of x squared plus 1, we're going to get x squared plus 1 minus x squared times 1 divided by x squared plus 1 times square root of x squared plus 1. So here we have x squared plus 1 minus x squared, which they cancel out when we have just 1 over x squared plus 1 to the power of, here to the power of 1, here is going to be to the power of 1/2. When you add them, it's going to be 3 over 2. Or you can write it in terms of x squared plus 1 to the power of negative 3 over 2 when you want to bring it in numerator. So that's how you find out the derivative of this expression. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.